What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to download and install Filmora on your PC. So firstly you're going to open a browser, then you're going to go on Google. Here you're going to search for Filmora. After you did that, as you can see, the first option is for Filmora from Wondershare. So what you're going to do now is to open the link. As you can see, we have the option to get started for free for Filmora 15. So let's click on it. The Filmora installer has been downloaded, so we are going to double click on it to open it. You're going to choose where you want to install Filmora. Also, if you want to change it, you're going to click on this folder icon, then you're going to choose another folder. You can see now it's installing. Here we're going to click on agree and continue. And as you can see, Filmora is now testing the environment. And then we will be able to use Filmora on our PC. Now we want to create a new project and we can start using Filmora on our PC. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.